Right now we're about to apply the patching material. And we're gonna put on a nice liberal coat of the patching material. We're gonna fill all the cracks in. And then we're gonna fill it in nice, but then we're gonna spread it around and then take off a lot of the excess. And you're gonna see this magic right now happening. It's gonna change everything. This is what it looks like after. And then we get the magic brush. There we go, the magic brush. Smoothing it out. Smoothing it out. Look at that. That's magic. And then we're gonna get that in a little bit, that crack, but that's with coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, it's